Well, how interesting. We go from a very soggy winter to what has become a pretty dry spring. Thanks for clicking on the Vogan's European Outlook. It is Thursday, the 16th of April, and we continue to see high pressure dominate the British Isles weather pattern. Certainly, particularly so across the northern half of the British Isles. What we're going to see over the next, 10 days or so is that area of high pressure will remain dominant between Iceland and Scandinavia. It'll kind of bounce around, wax and wane, strengthen, weaken, but the overall emphasis will be on high pressure remaining dominant across the northern half of Europe. Low pressure and convective systems will try to attack from the south, but it will always come up against the resistance of high pressure further north. So the parts of England that has not seen rain in an amazing 4 weeks, after what has been a record-breaking wet February, of course, we hopefully will start to see, and it's amazing to think that we're having to talk about that, going from saturated ground to all of a sudden actually wanting rainfall to soak the garden. So you can see here that as I continue to skip through the sequence here through the remainder of the week into the weekend, weather trying to push in from the Atlantic, weather trying to push in from the south. Lots of heavy precipitation over Iberia and over France, as you can see here. But look at the position of the area of high pressure up over Scandinavia. That is pulling in cooler air from the eastern part of Europe and through Poland, Germany, the Low Countries. And then, of course, as these winds cross over the North Sea, we're going to see a significant chill factor up and down the eastern half of the British Isles. Always warmest and sunniest probably further west across the UK over the next several days here. So you continue to see weather trying to push in from the south, but you've always got that resistance of high pressure over Scandinavia. And we're going to continue to maintain that easterly airflow as well, keeping things chilly across the eastern half of the country. But you can see here as we skip through till next week, so this is the 23rd of April, that area of high pressure has repositioned over the northeastern Atlantic, and you can continue to see just that resistance from high pressure. And the reason for that, of course, is that flip in the MJO, the progression from the warm phases back to the cold phases that recasts the atmosphere and changes the weather pattern. So that's it for today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll be back in the next few days with more information. Bye for now.